I'm the founder of the Victoria Falls Boxing Academy. So we offer some trainings. We've got some of our clients, especially tourists, who are not able to train in the gym. So they want to do more like a hike, a walk, as well, seeing the place. So I do walks, bringing them this side. We have a permission to do that as Victoria Falls Boxing Academy, given the permission by the parks. So we walk down, coming this side as an exercise, also as an activity that supports our home and our kids that we are helping in. So that's what we do. So the walk, it's a walk that takes, it depends about your fitness level. If you are super fit, you can run down here, you go back, it might take you like 30 minutes, 40 minutes. For those who are not super fit, it's a walk of 2 hours so, and maybe for those who are slow, it's a walk of 3.5 hours. And when you get down there, you can have a view of the falls, you can see the water flowing. Yeah, that's what you can enjoy. You can see these big stones, you can see the bridge. It's a beautiful view. So where we are here, it's in between Zimbabwe and Zambia. You can see the bridge there that separates the two countries. And where we are standing, looking this side, that's where there is falls drop, where water drops. But since now the water level is too low, so that's why there is no water dropping up there. But when the water is on the high season, all that part will be full of water. And that's where rafting guys start their rafting. That's where there is rapid number 1. Going to rapid number 2, I don't know, up to 40 something rapids.